Hey, how's it going, guys? Okay, we're looking at EURUSD now. I promised my community, the new section of my community, which we moved to a new trading room. More about this in another post. I'll stick to the actual trade idea I'm looking at on EURUSD. Now, we're looking at the daily chart. Today is the 22nd of January 2019. And we're looking at the daily chart of EURUSD. Now, let's focus at the bottom area here of this blue trend level here, trend line. What you can see is that there has been rejection plenty of times, 1, 2, 3, and we're going on 4 so far. And it seems like price action should be reversing today, tomorrow, or the day after. That's not for me to decide or you, it's for the markets to decide. But the trade idea looks solid, and this seems to be a pretty strong support level. So let's move over to the 4-hour chart and see what we can come up with there too. You can see that price action is pretty close. We already tried to reject this level already one time. There is still room for it to go a little bit lower. Keep in mind this is a 4-hour chart and this candle's done in 1 hour and 23 minutes. So I believe that in the next, I don't know, 8, maybe 10 hours, maybe even 12, we can have a breakout. That doesn't mean it's not a good time to enter. I did enter this trade already and my stop loss and take profit have been set in the community, and I'm going to show you how I found this trade idea. This setup is very close to a PipsMatter classic setup. Taking the bottom levels of this price level of this move here all the way up here, the 30% level is almost in the range here. So it almost makes it a classic setup because it does have the contraction here as well. The 13-day EMA or the 13 EMA on the 4-hour chart right now is pretty close to price action, giving it a really good chance of the breakout. Now, if the breakout occurs, the take profit levels that we're looking to target are the following. Let me just show you this. So we'll take the bottom of the level here. The take profits is the 50% and the 61.8. So the move is not drastic here, but the 120%, which is probably where price action will be heading over a swing trade basis, should be reached up there. So firstly, I'm going to target these levels. Remember that I'm a reactive trader. I will change my perspective on the market very quickly if it is going to help me to make money, which is the main goal we have at PipsMatter in the community. The only purpose and the only goal is to achieve consistent, compounded weekly profits. So yeah, we're in this trade already. I'm looking for price action to go all the way up here, hopefully 120%. That can change. So for now, we're targeting the first two levels, actually the 61.8, which is 1.14045. And we'll see how that works out. Now, the risk reward we want to target is always at least 3 to 1. Okay, that's what we want to be targeting. But a 2 to 1 can also work out well in many cases. So let's go over this quickly here. If we do enter the trade, as I did already around this level, the take profit, general take profit is all the way up here, and the stop loss wouldn't be that far. We would be targeting the stop loss around here, which gives us between a free, we can easily have a 3 to 1 with the stop loss being down here, and that's 32 pips from price action. Obviously you can wait a little bit and wait for a valid confirmation of the breakout, or get into a better position down here. These are the two things we can do if you do not enter right now into the price action like I did. So that's it for this setup. I'm looking for EURUSD reversal. Let's see how that's going to work out. Of course, I'm going to update the P&L status of the trade in my community once it's done. My name is Dennis. If you want to join my community, head over to PipsMatter.com and you'll find out all the information you need. Thank you and have a beautiful and blessed day. Bye now.